Understanding the key principles of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing has its roots in the Toyota Production System, TPS, developed by Toyota in post-World War II Japan. Toyota faced significant challenges, including resource constraints and the need for efficient production. This adversity led to the innovation of lean principles. Key figures, such as Taiichi Ohno and Shigeo Shingo, played pivotal roles in shaping the TPS. Ohno pioneered concepts like just-in-time production, while Shingo introduced error-proofing techniques.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Lean principles have transcended the boundaries of Toyota and the manufacturing sector, finding applications in various industries globally. Today, over 70% of manufacturers worldwide consider lean manufacturing a strategic priority. The influence of lean has extended beyond manufacturing to service industries, healthcare, and software development, leading to greater efficiency and customer-centric operations. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into the core principles of lean manufacturing and explore how they drive efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance product quality. Principles of lean manufacturing. Customer value. The foundation of lean manufacturing is rooted in delivering value to the customer. This principle requires companies to identify and understand what customers truly value and ensure that their products or services align with those needs. This customer-centric approach not only improves customer satisfaction but also eliminates waste by focusing on what matters. Toyota started making cars when people wanted them, which helped save money on storing extra cars, made the cars better, and made customers happier. A survey from Deloitte found that 77% of manufacturers think that focusing on what customers want is crucial for a successful business. Companies that prioritize customer value experience an average customer satisfaction increase of 12%, leading to higher retention rates. Practical application. Conduct market research to understand customer preferences and implement feedback loops to continuously improve products or services based on customer input. Value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is a visual representation of the end-to-end process that delivers a product or service. It aims to identify and eliminate waste by providing a clear overview of the entire process, including the flow of materials, information, and actions. This principle allows companies to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Amazon uses value stream mapping to optimize its order fulfillment process, reducing lead times and improving inventory management. Companies that implement value stream mapping experience a 30 to 60% reduction in lead times on average. A study by Aberdeen Group found that 60% of best-in-class organizations use value stream mapping to drive process improvements. Practical application. Create value stream maps for key processes within your organization and involve cross-functional teams to analyze and optimize the value stream. Flow. The flow principle in lean manufacturing stresses the importance of having work move continuously through the production process without interruptions. This means reducing delays and making sure work flows smoothly from one stage to another. Honda adopted flow manufacturing in its assembly lines, which led to much shorter production cycles and a more efficient use of resources. Lean organizations that implement flow principles report up to 50% reduction in lead times. Flow principles can lead to a 25 to 50% reduction in operational costs. Practical application. Design work processes to minimize handoffs and waiting times. Implement tools like Kanban to manage work in progress. Pull system. The pull system, as opposed to traditional push systems, produces items based on actual customer demand. It minimizes overproduction, reduces excess inventory, and ensures that resources are allocated where they are needed. Dell's direct-to-customer model is an excellent example of a pull system. They only build computers when orders are placed, minimizing inventory costs and responding directly to customer demand. The pull system can reduce inventory costs by 50% or more. Companies that implement pull systems report up to a 25% reduction in production cycle times. Practical application: implement a Kanban system to control production based on customer demand and continuously monitor customer demand to adjust production accordingly. Perfection: perfection in lean manufacturing is not an unattainable goal but a commitment to continuous improvement. It involves creating a culture where all employees are engaged in identifying and addressing issues to make incremental improvements over time. Toyota, often considered a pioneer of lean manufacturing, has built a culture of continuous improvement. They involve all employees in identifying and resolving problems in real time, resulting in higher quality and efficiency. Companies that embrace a culture of perfection report a 15 to 30% improvement in overall operational performance. Continuous improvement practices can lead to a 10 to 20% reduction in costs. Practical application: encourage employees to submit improvement suggestions regularly and implement Kaizen events to focus on specific improvement projects. These 5 principles form the core of lean manufacturing and are vital for achieving operational excellence. By understanding, applying, and continuously improving these principles, organizations can reduce waste, enhance product quality, and meet customer demands effectively.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.